Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first I'll show you that by double press of the power key of this tablet I can launch the camera application, and now we'll try to change this option to enable something else, to launch something else. So first you should go into the settings application, and then you should scroll down to the advanced features, tap there, and now here we got the side key section, tap there, and now as can you see, by double press the power button we can launch the camera. You see that just a couple of seconds ago. We can just change it to open the Wixby, so now we can enable the Wixby by double press of our power key, as can you see, and also we can switch it to open one from the application. You can just tap there, and here in the settings you can select the application what you wanna open by double press to your power key here on the side of the device. So for example, we can go with the Gmail application, and as can you see here we got the Gmail application set it, and now just we'll try. I'll just double press the power key and I just enable the Google Gmail application, and now we'll try to do it on the lock screen. So as can you see, that's the lock screen, and now just press twice on the power key button, and as can you see, I just launched the Gmail application. Also we can just change the app to the another one, for example just to open the Spotify or the Play Store, for example the Play Store. As can you see, we just changed that, and now for example from the home screen we just press twice on the power key and we enable we launch the Play Store application. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.